Welcome to Victory IAS 2-year current affairs rapid revision series and another session on women issues. In last video we are discussing on sexual harassment. In this video we will discuss marriage issues. How marital issues are happening, what is the law for that. Let us see here. So friends, in this video we are dealing with marriage issues. How marriages and divorces happening in India. That type of women issues we will deal with in this video. Okay, our first topic is Talaq-e-Hasan. So recently the Supreme Court held that Talaq-e-Hasan is not so improper of prima facie. Okay, this is not so improper compared to triple talaq. In a recent judgment, the Supreme Court held that the Talaq-e-Hasan is not so improper like triple talaq. Okay, so why it is not so improper? This we can understand only by knowing what is Talaq-e-Hasan. Okay, so previously PIL was filed to make prescribed Islamic way of divorce Talaq-e-Hasan unconstitutional. Previously, one public interest litigation was raised where they highlight that Talaq-e-Hasan was unconstitutional as it is violative of Article 14, 15, 20, 21 and 25 of Constitution. So what these articles represent? Fundamental rights. Fundamental rights. Okay, Article 14 represents equality before law. Equality before law. And at the same time, Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, sex, creed, etc. And Article 21 protects right to life and personal liberty. Right to life. Article 21. And at the same time, Article 25 provides freedom of conscience, the freedom, profession, practice and propagation of one particular religion. Okay, a person can follow religion of his interest that Article 25 mentions. Okay, so Article 14 is equality before law. Article 15 no discrimination. And Article 21 right to life and personal freedom and liberty. And Article 25 is freedom to profess any religion. So these things are being violated by Talaq-e-Hasan. That is the last PIL public interest litigation filed was mentioning. Okay, but even we know instant triple talaq was banned by government in 2019. Triple talaq has been banned by government in 2019. Before, why the court given like this judgment? Triple talaq is banned. But compared to triple talaq, Talaq-e-Hasan is proper, not so improper, not very injustice to the victim compared to triple talaq. Like this judgment, why the court given? That we can know better by knowing what is Talaq-e-Hasan first of all. Okay, what is types of talaq? Let us discuss the types of talaq here. So, modes of talaq. How many types of talaq is there? Talaq is divorce. Talaq is nothing but giving divorce. Divorce to wife or husband. But how many types of talaq is there? Modes of talaq. How many types of talaq is allowed in Islamic law? So, in this, talaq al-sunnat is there. It is revocable. Talaq al-bidat. This is nothing but triple talaq. And this is banned by Supreme Court in 2019. This is banned in Supreme Court in 2019. So what is this method means? Husband is there, one wife is there. He tell wife instantly at a time 3 times situations, if the violence increased in their marriage and they can't escape from the marriage, in uncertain situations they have to use the triple talaq. But what they will do, they took it to the advantage. When they want to get rid of wife, they just tell 3 times talaq, triple talaq, and they get rid of wife immediately. So that's why the Supreme Court banned the triple talaq in 2019. And they also told that the person who tells triple talaq to his wife will get 3 years imprisonment, 3 years imprisonment plus fine. Here, the wife must get some maintenance for her. Child custody and maintenance should be given to the wife. Okay. What is talaq ul sunnat compared to triple talaq means this is revocable. Suppose a husband want to divorce a wife, he can change this decision. Change this decision later. Okay, means this is reversible. Once he has given divorce, again he can call the wife to live together. So how it happens? This is again 2 types. Okay, talaq ahasan, talaq hasan. Talaq ahasan, most proper way, when the wife is not having periods, date, menses, monthly cycle, she is not passing through. At that time, husband has to tell wife, he wants to give divorce, talaq. Okay, later he should not have physical relationship with the wife at all. But after, within 1 month, if he again sleep with the wife, if he again make a physical relationship with the wife, then he has to take this talaq back. Whatever talaq given, okay, that should be taken back. But in talaq hasan case, this is proper in the sense the husband firmly decided to divorce his wife. He don't want to keep a physical relation, sexual relation with the wife again. Means this is final. There is no change in decision. Then what he has to do, once in a month, for 3 months, 3 times, he has to tell wife that talaq, I want to give divorce. Means on December 20, suppose he told once when the wife is not in periods, her periods are date cycle. If the husband says talaq 1 time, and again in January 21, again he has to tell talaq 2nd time, and February 2021, again he has to tell talaq 3rd time. Then meanwhile, the wife also decides whether to live with this person. She will also come to a decision whether to live with this person or she has to live. Then if she don't want to live with that person, she will initiate divorce saying khula. Word khula. Okay, that is the word in Islam for wives to take divorce from her husband. At that time, so in this case, the wife must return whatever the dowry given to her in marriage. Okay, some wealth will be to Muslim women, some wealth will be given by husband in marriage. That she has to give back. Again, if the husband don't want to give divorce, okay, in that case she can go to the court for justice. Okay, so like this means compared to triple talaq, where the husband instantly tells wife 3 times talaq and get rid of his wife and children. But in talaq ul sunnat means in 2 types of talaq, talaq ahasan, talaq hasan, it is revocable, be bit. This is revocable in 1 month. This is firm. Means 3 months he won't reverse the talaq. Then the talaq has happened. But the wives get some time to decide on their relationship. But in triple talaq, wife do not have any time to think of is her relationship. She is being broken and cheated like thing will come, because after living with her for many years, after getting kids, if a husband tells to the wife triple talaq, means it is one type of cheating only. So compared to that type of victims, these type of victims means like in Hindus, properly they will give divorce. That is, the process is better, that the court is saying here. So after getting this process, after women come to know, understand this process, more women want to opt for kula process of divorce from her husband. So more Muslim marriages end with kula. The woman enable right to instant divorce and not as it's widely pursued through instant triple talaq, which was set aside by Supreme Court verdict in 2007 through Talaki Hassan divorce at man's initiative. Okay, kula. What is kula here? I already told you. The woman can initiate. Woman who initiates the divorce and surrenders her mahr, wealth transferred or promised to the woman at the time of marriage, at the time of such divorce. Kula can be initiated orally it can be initiated, or through a document. They can send a document to husband, like divorce papers in Hindu marriages. They can send a divorce notice to her husband like kula nama. That is called kula nama in Islamic. And this kula system has same effect as triple talaq, instant divorce, triple talaq. What is triple talaq? A man can divorce his wife by simply uttering talaq 3 times. So the triple talaq was banned by Supreme Court in 2017. Okay, some people says 2017, some people says 2019. Wherever you check out in Google also this issue in Shayara Bhanu versus Union of India case. Okay, Shayara Bhanu case. This you might saw movie also. You can see entire story. Okay, it is prevalent among India's Muslim community, majority of whom follow the Hanafi Islamic school of law. This triple talaq system is not applicable in Shias. It is applicable only in Sunnis. Sunnis follow this, but Shia people won't follow triple talaq because they feel it as a crime. Okay.